So today we did a muesli encrusted rainbow trout fillet.
So an easy way to do this is you actually take the muesli. When I used our Nut Lovers muesli, which has almonds and peanuts and a lot of other great delicious things in it, I ground that up a little bit and I crusted it on a piece of rainbow trout. I served that with some brown rice. We cut up some sweet potatoes. We diced up some bacon, minced up some garlic, julienne some radicchio, tossed that all together with some fresh corn and a Dijon champagne vinaigrette, and then finished the whole dish with an apple cider gastrique and our Seitenbacher pumpkin seeds.
The trout was sauteed in a little bit of olive oil. So to make a quick gastrique, all you need is a sugar and a vinegar, and reduce that down to a nice sauce or glaze consistency. So in today's gastrique, we used a honey and we used an apple cider vinegar. So in order to do that, you take some of the honey, bring it to a light boil, and then whisk in the apple cider vinegar. We also added a little bit of heat to it, so we used some of the hot chili oil at the end to give it a little bit of a kick. Hope you enjoy.